Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Amazing Marvin. If you need to log out of your account on Amazing Marvin but can't find the option, you're not alone. If you're new to the interface, it's easy to overlook. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to log out step by step. I'll also share a few quick tips to keep your account secure, especially if you're using a shared device. Let's get started. First, open Amazing Marvin using your browser or desktop app. Make sure you're logged in and can see your main dashboard. This is the screen where your tasks, categories, and daily plans are displayed. If you're not on this page yet, just log in first so you can follow along. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. So you should see your profile icon, your initials, or sometimes a small menu button. This is where your account options are stored. Click on that icon to open the drop-down menu. Take your time here. If you don't see it right away, just scan the top navigation bar carefully. So the layout might look slightly different depending on your settings. Once the menu is open, scroll through the list of options, look for the logout button. If you can't see it, click on account. Now under profile, scroll down and look for the logout button. Click it once and Amazing Marvin will instantly sign you out of your account. After clicking logout, you'll be redirected to the login screen. This is your confirmation that the process worked. If you see fields asking for your email and password, then you've successfully logged out. If you're using a public or shared computer, always double check that you've logged out before leaving. You can also close the browser completely or clear save passwords for added security. And if you ever think you forgot to log out, just go back and repeat the same steps. It only takes a few seconds. If your goal is to switch accounts, logging out is the first step. After that, simply log back in using a different email and password. This is useful if you manage multiple accounts or a shared device with someone else. And that's how you can log out of Amazing Marvin, quick, simple, and secure. Thank you for watching.